Welcome to helpmewithbiblestudy.org. With over 750 articles, many of which are original, we hope to help you learn how to read the Bible and work out the contradictions in developing a coherent theology. The main navigation through the site is the menu bar at the top of each page. Grace introduces you to the gospel and examines the origin of morality for those with a skeptical predisposition. Skill Builder focuses on the basic skills needed for a good, objective Bible study method. Study Methods provides tutorials and examples that put together these skills in a variety of ways. Systematic Studies are condensed narratives that help as examples of how to think in a systematic manner. Tools introduces you to various books and references that can enlighten your personal Bible study. Search provides a variety of ways for you to find focused articles within our site. With the exception of Search, each section has their own menu bar, which you can navigate with or page through using the links at the bottom of each page. You can always navigate throughout the website at Main Site. The Systematic Studies section is comprehensive and covers all of the major doctrinal points in Christianity. Search is where you can find in-depth articles indexed by subject, scripture, author, or by archaeology. Some articles comprise a series and are linked together. Each article has a print version, which you can download using the link at the top right-hand corner of each page. The Archaeology Index provides two ways of viewing archaeology. You can find archaeology associated with the biblical timeline or by its title. Bible study is difficult, and we hope this website can help you read the Bible better and grow closer to God.